Hey there, Tam here from Perfect Supplements Australia. Welcome to my kitchen today, where I'm going to be showing you how to make my Keto Brownie Bliss smoothie. I hope you enjoy. So, being a chocolate brownie smoothie, naturally it's going to contain cacao or cacao, however you want to say it. And to make it creamy, I'm going to add a half an avocado because avocados are great on a ketogenic diet. But something that's really cool that you can add instead of banana, and it's really low calorie and full of nutrition, is frozen zucchini. It actually makes the smoothie really creamy and delicious. So I'm going to add in about a cup of frozen diced zucchini, some ice, almond butter, hydrolyzed collagen powder for the protein and gut-loving benefits, skin-loving benefits, on a base of almond milk. And to sweeten it up, I'm going to add this monk fruit sweetener. As you can see, it's keto friendly. Now I've added my almond milk, and now I'm going to add 2 heaped tablespoons of cacao, because it is a chocolate brownie after all, so we want it to be naturally very chocolatey. Adding some ice, and as you can see, I've added in 2 tablespoons of almond butter. I just love almond butter in my smoothie, and it's also keto friendly and full of so much goodness, like protein, fibre, good fats, vitamins and minerals. And then I'm adding the flesh of 1/2 of an avocado, and a teaspoon of this monk fruit sweetener. When I first heard the idea of adding zucchini to a smoothie, I was like, that sounds weird. But honestly, when I gave it a go, it's actually really delicious, and it's such a low carb, low calorie option. Give it a whirl if you've never tried it before. And of course, we can't forget the perfect hydrolyzed collagen powder. That's your gut-loving, skin-radiant ingredient. And I rarely go a day without this stuff. It is truly amazing. All you have to do is check out the over 270 5-star reviews at this point in time on our website, and I'll leave the product link so you can check that out. I'll leave that in the description below the video. And there it is. Isn't she beautiful? So thick. This is like a thick shake. This is so thick you actually have to use a spoon to eat it. Don't mind if I do. Enjoy. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos, and remember to tap the bell so you never miss a video. I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.